Did you know there's a tree that bleeds metal? Pycnandra acinifolia, found in New Caledonia, has sapphire-blue sap that contains 25% nickel. This tree absorbs toxic metals from the soil and stores them in its sap as a defense mechanism. Only found on one island in the Pacific, it's become a holy grail for scientists studying hyperaccumulators. Researchers believe these metal-eating plants could help clean polluted soils and even mine metals sustainably. Share this incredible natural wonder. Subscribe for more amazing plant discoveries.